frequency graph below has been produced from data collected by the Australian Bureau of Statistics. It shows the number of bedrooms in dwellings in Western Australia for 2011. So we're told that the mean for the data is 3.25 and the median is 3. We want the mode. Well, the mode is the most commonly occurring, so that's just 3. Circle the two words from the list below that describe the type of data collected. So we're talking about number of bedrooms, so that would be numerical data, and it can only take fixed number values, so that would make it discrete. John decides to gather information from some of his friends about the number of bedrooms they have in their dwellings. His results are shown in the table below. Determine each of the following for John's data set. Now, obviously, we're expected to do this using the calculator. So if we go to statistics, and we'll just clear anything that I've got there. And the number of bedrooms, I'll put those in list 1. So we've got 0 through to 6. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then we'll put his frequencies in. So he had 0, 2, 4, 8, 10 with 4 bedrooms, 3, and 1. And then we'll go to calc, 1 variable. The x's are in list 1 and we had frequencies and they are in list 2. Click OK. So we've got the mean, so 2 decimal places is 3.39. So the median will be here as well. The median is 3.5. The mode, well, we don't need the calculator for that, we can see that that's 4. And the standard deviation, remember, so there's a sigma value here. So that is 1.175, so 1.18 if we go to 2 decimal places as we did with the mean. The mode could be considered to be the best average for John's dataset. Explain why this is the case. Well, the mode is the most common or most popular. And a bit like a shoe shop would want to know the mode for the shoe sizes, in this case the most popular might be the most appropriate average. And a more straightforward answer is that the number of bedrooms is discrete. And what we had was a situation where the mean was 3.39, the median was 3.5, and the mode was 4. So the mode is the only one that actually gives me a discrete value. We want to compare John's results to those in Part A and state 3 ways in which the data sets differ. So we've got the Australian Bureau of Statistics, and we've got John. And the first thing we can say is that the mode differs. John's mode was 4, and we saw from before that the Australian Bureau of Statistics was 3. So what else might be different? In the original set, nobody had more than 5 bedrooms. So they were all less than 6 bedrooms. But John actually had somebody with 6 bedrooms. And probably the biggest difference, and the most obvious, is that this will have been based on lots of data, whereas John's only taken 28 pieces of data. So John took less data.